spicy nuts. Do a little hickory smoke pouch here for you. 2 parts wet, 1 part dry. Mix it together. Folks, you've got yourself a quick and easy smoke pouch. It's gonna play a big part in infusing these nuts. Hey, there's Miss Charlotte.
I have some egg whites for you.
I've got a hickory smoke pouch for you if you want to put that in a barbecue for me. Thank you very much, Miss Charlotte, everybody. She got some egg whites. We'll get to that momentarily. But first, we got to get some of these nuts going here. Got a Brazil, got a hazelnut. See, we got some pecans. Look at those pecans. Got some cashews, and we got some almonds. Look at that. Notice, not salted. Why? Because we're going to do our own thing to them. Start out with a little cinnamon for some sweetness. Believe me, you will be able to taste this. You probably won't think it, but you'll be able to taste that. A little cayenne for some heat. A little cumin for some nuttiness. A little paprika, smokiness. Just laying the flavors on here, and you'll be able to taste all these. Coriander and some thyme and some sugar for a flavor pop. Oh, that right there is a beautiful little seasoning spice for our nuts. Now we're taking a little melted butter, and this melted butter is going to help with some serious flavor as well. Now we take our mix, put it in there. Now we can get busy. Mix that in there nice. Now this egg whites that Miss Charlotte brought around to me, I'm going to put these right in here like this, and that's going to help all those spices stick to these nuts. Oh, the spices just now attaching themselves to every one of these. Now we're going to take them, just put them on this pan here. Spread them out. Don't want to layer them. Want to get them all out there so when we put them on the barbecue, they cook evenly. Those egg whites made all those spices stick to that. Does that not look good? Yeah. You're going to love them. We're going to head over to the barbecue and get started. We're going nuts here. Why not? Right. Here we go. Hey. Oh, that hickory smoke pouch is right directly over the heat right there. And then we've got no heat here. Indirect grilling. Heat, no heat. And that's exactly where we're going to put our nuts. We're looking for 220 Fahrenheit, 110 Celsius, okay? Close the lid, let that smoke do its work there for about an hour's time until those nuts are nice golden color. We slide right back here, hour later. Oh, that is just gorgeous. Look at that, y'all. Is that not crazy? Wow. You've got some home run, hot, spicy hickory nuts right there.